Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shailendra Yadav and today we are diving into the exciting world of recruitment. Ever wonder how companies catch their top talent? Well, you are lucky because we are about to unveil the entire recruitment cycle from start to finish. But first, let's kick things off with a little introduction of fascinating recruitment. So, ready? Let's dive into it. Recruitment. What is recruitment? Recruitment is a process. Process of what? Recruitment is actually a process of finding, attracting, and hiring all the qualified candidates to fit a job vacancies within an organization. Embarking on a recruitment to find the perfect addition to your team is like setting out a thrilling adventure. It all starts with recognizing the unique talent to your team needed to thrive. Imagine yourself as a top scout navigating through a numerous of avenues, job boards, social media, and good old-fashioned reference to uncover the hidden rocks. As you shift through resumes and conduct interviews, you are essentially crafting the ultimate dreams teams. And just when you are found the one who fit like a glove, it's time to extend the golden ticket, the job offer. Whether you are arranging this great search within your organization's HR department or enlisting the expertise of external recruitment magician, the goal remains the same: to discover that shining star you will illuminate your team's path to success. The goal of recruitment is to ensure that the right individual with the necessary skills, qualifications, and cultural fit and are hired to contribute to the organization's success. Absolutely. Let's dive into the exciting world of recruitment. Imagine you are the chief of a dynamic multinational corporation named XYZ. Your empire boasts various departments ranging from sales to IT, HR to legal, and everything in between. Now picture this. You are the brink of expanding your workforce to propel your company to even greater heights. But of course, you need the right talent to make it happen. Right talent to make it happen. Yes. Enter the unsung heroes of the recruitment. The HR department armed their trusty job descriptions and keen eye for talent. But wait, there is more. Behind every successful hire stands a hiring manager or recruiter, ready to navigate the complicated web of finding the perfect match for each role. Yes. So let's embark on the exciting journey of the talent acquisition. So get ready as we unveil the recruitment cycle step by step and unveil the secret of building a dream team for your enterprises. Step 1. Identify the job need. It's like detective work, but instead of solving the crime, we are uncovering the need for a new team member, new hires. Whether it's because your company is booming or you need someone with a specific set of skills, we are on the lookout. Next step, we are diving into the essential details with the job analysis and description. Think of it as crafting the ultimate job profiles complete with all the must-have qualifications and responsibilities. Now, It's time to shout rooftop. We are posting the job everywhere, from web board to social media, casting our net wide to reels in the best talent. Now it's application sourcing and screening time. We have to screen the candidate from their resume. We are shifting through resume like treasure hunters, searching for those talent. Once we have narrowed it down, it's time to make first contact. We are searching out to potential candidates for a chat or call, getting to know them and seeing if they are a real deal. Once we found the matching candidate from our job description, we proceed for the next step. And what will be the next step? The next step comes the main event. There are multiple rounds in an interview. After taking a small screening over call, we have to call them for the face-to-face round or virtual round. We are rolling out the red carpet and putting candidates through their paces, making sure they are a perfect fit for the role. Now it's time to do some detective work of our own reference and checks. That is a background check. We have to check the background of the candidates, like qualifications and experiences and other things. We are digging deep to make sure our candidates are as good as they say they are. The next step is the moment of truth, the job offer. We are extending our hand and hoping they will take it, complete with all the details like salary and benefits. Once terms are agreed upon, it's time for the big reveal, offer acceptance. But before they can officially join the squad, we are doing some final checks and pre-employment screening. We are making sure everything checks out before they walk. Now it's time to roll out the welcome mat with onboarding. We are showing our new recruit the ropes and setting them for the success. And as they settle into their new roles, we are keeping a close eye on their progress during the probation period, offering support and guidance along the way. And finally, it's all about integration and follow-up. We are making sure our new team members feels right at home and checking in regularly to make sure everything turning smoothly. And that is a wrap. Thanks for joining us on the journey through the recruitment cycle. Until next time, take care and happy hiring. Thank you so much.